Hello everyone, I want to sing my favorite song, it is James Blunt, Goodbye My Lover. Special for you. To disappoint you, I lay her down, should have a feeling that I'll let the judges from, 'cause I saw the end for it again. Yes, I saw you were blind, and I knew I had wrong. Struck once mine, turn you right, took your soul out into the night. It may be over, almost out there. I'm here for you, if you'd only care. It touched my heart, it touched my soul, it changed my life and all my goals. Love is blinded than you. My heart is blinded by you. Easily, should have your head. Shake your chin, shake your bed. I know you well, I know you smell. I've been addicted to you. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. I'm a dreamer, but when I wake, you can break my spirits. It's my dreams you take, and as I move on, remember me. Remember us and all we used to be. I've seen you cry, I've seen you smile, watch you sleeping for a while. Be the mother of your child. I can't live without with you in the fears in your mind. What would draw us now we're fine. I love you, there are true. I can't live without with you. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. I'm so hollow, baby. I'm so hollow. I'm so hollow.